Teachers and my dear friend, first of all, great morning all of you.
Great morning, Tanu.
I am Tanu standing in front of you. I study in Sunrise Foundation School. I study in 6th standard. Today I am stand here for mastering the concept. My mastering the concept topic is science and science chapter is chapter number 8. What is chapter number?
8.
The chapter number name is the habitat of the living. What is chapter name?
The habitat of the living.
Do you know, student, what is habitat?
No, ma'am.
The natural surrounding where the living organism live is called its habitat. Do you know, student, what is environment?
No, ma'am.
Everything that surrounds and affect their growth and development is called environment. What is environment? Yaman, stand up.
Yes.
What is environment?
The living things that we live in,
Mannat, stand up. What is habitat?
Where natural surrounding where a living organism live is called habitat.
Right answer. Clap for Mannat. Do you know, student, how many types of habitat?
No, ma'am.
There are 5 types of habitat. How many types of habitat?
5 types of habitat.
How many types of habitat?
5 types of habitat.
How many types?
5 types of habitat.
First is terrestrial habitat. Second is aquatic habitat. First is aquatic habitat. What is first habitat?
Aquatic habitat.
What is first aquatic? What is first habitat? Second is terrestrial habitat. What is second habitat?
Terrestrial habitat.
Third is arboreal habitat. What is third habitat?
Arboreal habitat.
Fourth is aerial habitat. Fourth is
Aerial habitat.
fifth is amphibians habitat. Fifth is
Amphibian habitat.
do you know, student, what is aquatic habitat? It includes the habitat in the water is called aquatic habitat. What is aquatic habitat? Mannat, stand up.
Include habitat in the water is called aquatic habitat.
Right answer. Clap for Mannat. Do you know, student, what is terrestrial habitat?
No, ma'am.
It includes habitat on the land like forest, grassland, desert is called terrestrial habitat. What is terrestrial habitat? Priya, stand up.
Terrestrial habitat include animal on land like forest, etc.
Right answer. Clap for Priya. Do you know, student, what is arboreal habitat?
No, ma'am.
It includes habitat on the tree is called arboreal habitat. What is arboreal habitat? Akshar, stand up. What is arboreal habitat?
The arboreal habitat including habitat on tree or forest.
Clap for Akshar. Do you know, student, what is aerial habitat? Aerial, it include habitat in air and sky, is called aerial habitat. What is aerial habitat? Yaman, stand up.
It including habitat in sky and air. It's called aerial habitation.
Right answer. Clap for Yaman. Do you know, student, what is amphibious habitat?
No, ma'am.
It include habitat in water and land, is called amphibians habitat. What is amphibians habitat? Akshar, stand up. What is amphibians habitat?
Include habitat which relieves the water or called amphibious habitat.
Right answer. Clap for Akshar. Do you know, student, how many types of components of habitat?
No, ma'am.
There are 2 types of component. How many types of component?
2 types of components.
First is abiotic component. First is
Abiotic components.
what is the first component? What is the first component?
Abiotic component.
And second component?
Biotic component.
Do you know, student, what is abiotic component?
No, ma'am.
Abiotic component include the non-living things, is called abiotic component, and biotic component include the living things. Biotic component includes the living things. What is biotic component?
It includes the living things.
Thank you and have a nice day.